कला और संस्कृति के माध्यम से कई देशों के बीच रिश्तों को मजबूत बनाते हुए मारवा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय चल रहे 13वें ग्लोबल फेस्टिवल ऑफ जर्नलिज्म एंड एवीजीसी के पहले दिन की शानदार शुरुआत के बाद दूसरा दिन बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया गया। दूसरे दिन के पहले सत्र में दुनिया भर से कला और संस्कृति से जुड़े लोगों को डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्मों की स्क्रीनिंग दिखाई गई। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI, चांसलर AFT यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स, अविटल बराक, कल्चरल काउंसलर, एम्बेसी ऑफ इजराइल ने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज की। कार्यक्रम में इजराइल की डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म डेड सी गार्जियंस की स्क्रीनिंग की गई। इस दौरान संदीप मारवा द्वारा अविटल बराक को फिल्म डॉक्यूमेंट्री के लिए अवार्ड ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन देकर सम्मानित किया गया। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम में पेरू की डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म द इनका सिटीज इन द क्लाउड की स्क्रीनिंग की गई। इस दौरान संदीप मारवा द्वारा एरिक्यू डिस्काल्जी, कल्चरल काउंसलर, एम्बेसी ऑफ पेरू के फिल्म डॉक्यूमेंट्री के लिए अवार्ड ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन देकर सम्मानित किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट ने कहा, कला और संस्कृति के माध्यम से हम कई देशों को जोड़ते हैं। फिल्म सिर्फ मनोरंजन का साधन नहीं, बल्कि फिल्मों से हमें बहुत जानकारियां भी मिलती हैं। कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में आर्ट स्कूल ऑफ एनिमेशन पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन का उद्घाटन अतिथिगण द्वारा किया गया। आर्ट स्कूल ऑफ एनिमेशन स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा डिजाइन एनिमेशन वीडियो भी दिखाई गई। साथ ही AI कॉर्पस कन्वर्टेबल पिक्सेल्स रेंडर पिक्सेल्स का पोस्टर भी रिलीज किया गया।
I'm very happy that today we have a screening of a film from Israel. A few years back, we created Indo-Israel Film and Culture Forum. The idea of creating this forum is to develop and promote the relation between the people of two countries. And this is what we've been doing for the last 10 years. We've been host to large number of people from theater, television, cinema, art, paintings, and people from the creative arts from Israel. More than 10 to 15 events we have already conducted under this forum in association with the Embassy of Israel in India. And this time we have this beautiful film, and I'm sure that people would love. They will love this film, which is on the current state of affairs.
Good morning. So I would say that most of all, this film is about hope and about the persistence of people in our area to collaborate and find strength together to solve problems and to create a better presence and a better future. I won't say a lot about the movie because I want you to go and see it, but I will say that you have an Israeli, a Palestinian, and a Jordanian man working towards solving a problem in the Dead Sea. It's a problem that is bigger than us. It's an ecological problem, okay? It's not man-made. But still, they want to solve it together. And I believe that you can see in this movie that if there's a will, okay, there's a way.
Oh, yes. As I said just on my intervention inside, I want to thank again Mr. Warma because it's a wonderful opportunity for us as Peru Embassy to show to the Indian people our culture and our way of being, and of course our beautiful country. So, as I already said, this is the best diplomacy that you can apply, and especially to the young people, to the young generations, to inoculate them the curiosity for going abroad and to know of another cultures. So I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy to represent my country here. The India-Peru relations are a long data relations of friendship and collaboration. So I'm again happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Very happy this time also in this 13th Global Festival of Journalism and AVGC Noida. We have a film from Peru. This documentary is very well designed and it has already achieved the award of distinction. I must go back 18, 19 years back when for the first time we created Indo-Peru Film and Culture Forum, and it all started when the Peru National Day was celebrated at Marva Studios, which was probably a very rare. And after that, we created this forum and never looked back. The Embassy of Peru in India, they have collaborated with us, and when we created International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry, we became little more formal and started conducting large number of events in association with Embassy of Peru in India. The last Fashion Week, where Peru participated, Peru was just as one of the best country, showcasing their most colorful dresses there. Yes, Peru has been partners with us in a global literary festival, global fashion week, global film festival also. I'm happy that we are working together, and we have always believed that culture diplomacy is the best way to develop and promote relation between the people of two countries.